Hi everybody and welcome. I'm Bretherton, CEO of Caddie. Shortly we'll take a look at the new functionality we've introduced in Caddie 30, but before we do, I'd like to thank you, our clients, for your continued support, our developers for all the hard work behind the scenes creating the software, the beta testers for ensuring that by the time you get the software it's as trouble-free as possible, and lastly the staff for all their efforts they put in every day. As is usual at this time of the year, we announce a retirement of support for an older version. This time it's Caddie 27, which we'll stop supporting in December this year. If anybody is still using it, it's time to upgrade. A couple of points regarding licensing. Our new auto-relicensing technology has made updating licenses transparent for most people. Caddie does all the hard work in the background. And cloud licensing has eliminated a lot of hassles of moving licenses with the ability to use the license online or download the license for a set period of time if your internet is unreliable. To make this easier, we've introduced new detach and return tools inside Caddie. A few other things we've been up to this year. Our website has had some minor upgrades. Our YouTube videos remain popular and have increased in number. And our online training has gone from strength to strength. We now have courses available for getting started with Caddie, Survey, DTM, View, AEC and GIS. And our advanced AEC will soon be here. Over the last year, several of our staff have been out and about visiting clients, from small single-person practices to large corporates, to see how they're using Caddie and what we can improve. We're also continuing our initiatives for students. We give support for training institutes using Caddie. We give free educational software to students. And we have the Caddie Student Placement Software License Program, which gives a full professional license for a month and access to the Getting Started course. As far as development goes, we're continuing with our multi-year project to replace the graphics engine using new cutting-edge technology. It's still a while away, unfortunately, but it's a massive undertaking. It will be worth it though, as we're seeing huge performance gains on all hardware for both 2D and 3D projects, as well as several other new features. For Caddie 30, much of the new functionality is for general drafting. And we're seeing some improved performance on both 2D and 3D drawings. We've created more catalogue content. We now have 29 catalogues available, with search tools to enable you to find the content that you need fast. We have new construction tools, meaning your drawing space should be less cluttered. We have GIS improvements with scheduling and LiDAR import. And the solids and surfaces which we introduced last year are enhanced to make Boolean operations faster. We also have IFC improvements supporting new standards and more objects. And improvements to the new PDF export, which again was introduced last year and has been extremely popular. Thanks to everyone that has come forward with requests and suggestions. We still have a long list of wishes, and most of the functionality you will see today has stemmed from conversations with users like yourselves who rely on Caddie for their everyday work. That's enough from me. Now let me introduce Herod and Charles, who will show us a selection of the highlights of Caddie 30. Thank you very much.